Hey, hola amigos, welcome to a new vlog. I'm here with my buddy Sam, and we are in the Bogota airport.
Where are we going, Steve?
We are going to Cartagena.
That's right. Very important with the pronunciation, Cartagena.
Yeah, there's a G in there, but it's a H. It's a H. It's a hey, how you doing? But I'm excited because I've never been to Cartagena. It's on the coast, so this is my first time going to the coast of Colombia. So first stop, Cartagena with Sam for a few days, and then my buddy Austin is coming out. So I think he'll be here for 2 weeks, and then we're gonna go explore more of the coast of Colombia.
Yeah, first stop, historical Caribbean city.
Yeah, let's go learn about Cartagena. Yeah, we have made it to Cartagena, and it is hot out. Woo! Alright, where are we at?
You know where we're at. Cartagena Sweets.
Woo! Gracias. Boom, boom. Woohoo! All right, now what do we do?
Well, I mean, shit, what do we do?
Eat?
Okay, well, it is 4:15 on a Sunday during a long weekend, so there's, you know, Cartagena is bustling. We've got 2 hours until the sunset. I don't know. Maybe you gotta see the city.
Let's go. But first, now that we're not in Bogota anymore, I can do this. Oh, I missed wearing shorts. It feels so good. So we decided to go for a little stroll. I know it's probably really windy right now, but this view, this skyline over here, so nice. Like Instagram heaven, the colors, the architecture around here, it's so beautiful. And I want to make a proper cinematic sequence, but I want to get my gimbal, which is back in the room, so maybe I'll do that tomorrow or another day. For right now, we're just taking it in around every corner. It's just like another amazing view. This is so cool walking around here. How a big man gets on a little wall. We have made it to the sea. I just missed the view of the sea. It's been a while since I've been near the ocean. This is nice. All right, let's play a game. Can you find the tourists? So we're walking down the wall right here, and I happened to stumble into, what's your name?
Sophia.
And Michael. And they just came up and said, hey, Steve, we've seen your videos. So cool. Where you guys from? Germany. Boom. Nice meeting you guys.
Bye.
All right, so we found some of Sam's friends. Hello, ladies. What are your names?
Hey, Andrea.
Andrea and
Paola.
all right, and they are at a cevicheria.
He's Colombian's friends in like a cevicheria Cartagena.
Cevicheria Cartagena. So this is a very well-known dish right here called ceviche, and we got the shrimp version. So we are now by the sea, so there's a lot of seafood over here. So I'm excited to try this.
Wow, toda la actitud. ¿Cómo le fluye? I was the lawyer in me.
Cartagena, tú eres el patrón. Hazle el video con la cámara Canon. Los raperos que sueltan la improvisación y siempre que lo hacemos la botamos de balcón. Lucen los zapatos, son muy original. Este video lo manda por Instagram. Anda con más money que Pablo Escobar y nosotros no dejamos de improvisar.
Oye, graba y toma la foto con la Canon y el reloj cuesta más que el brazo. Es que tú quieres meterle mi estilo de calle, meterle, pegarle, meterle, pegarle, mi estilo de calle, meterle, mi estilo de calle, meterle.
All right, we're back in our room now, and check it out. For the first time in Colombia, I'm breaking out the banana shirt. So that means tonight is a party night. Where we going, Sam?
Well, we're going to Havana, a popular salsa club.
Havana.
I've got out my floral shirt. You've got on your banana shirt. I think we are ready to go.
Ooh, let's do it. And of course, we're bringing you with us, so let's do it. So we just paid 30,000 pesos to get in Havana.
Yes.
And what happened, Sam?
Well, there's a lot of tourists expecting the authentic salsa experience.
It was not that great inside, so we paid.
Well, I mean,
it was
that's
nice.
what you want.
It was nice.
If that's what you want. It's great. But it's like we're in Colombia. If we want to dance salsa, we can dance salsa.
That was not a place to dance salsa. There was barely any room to move in there.
Yeah.
It was like a bar that they church. I keep saying church. We paid 30,000 for 5 minutes in that bar. Now we're going to a new place.
This is my third best idea of the night.
This is my second, third, or maybe fifth best idea. I'm planning on buying this little one right here. And then this guy comes along and he says, no, you need the madre. Heyo, we just made it back to our lovely room. Sam, how you doing?
I'm doing good. How was your first night in Cartagena?
So, okay, this was my recap of the first night of mine in Cartagena. We went to Havana and it was not Havana. It was more like Havana. It was a bar. People were standing around. Some old couples were dancing and it was cool. It was nice, but it was not. It wasn't happening. You know, we wanted some happening vibes. So we went to another club, which was called
Movida.
Movida. Movida was pretty cool. That's where it was popping. It was popping.
It's 3 a.m. Why are you vlogging right now?
Okay, listen, ladies and gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, it is 3 a.m. o'clock in the morning. We are in Cartagena. It's my first night here. Sam is wanting to put this camera away, so we're gonna do that.
No. I want to do a live stream.
You want to do a live stream?
Yeah, let's go live.
All right, we're gonna go live. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're not following me already on
Instagram or Facebook or any of the other platforms that can stream live, go follow me there because we're about to go live.
All right, guys, we had an awesome day traveling from Bogota to Cartagena, and we're gonna have some more adventures here in Cartagena. So if you want to come along and experience the Colombia Cartagena, then subscribe and click that like button and click that bell button next to the subscribe button so you can see more videos. And we will see you in the next vlog, right, Sam?
Because it's only Sunday.
It's only Sunday. There's plenty more days, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
1 week left.
1 week. All right, we're gonna go enjoy Cartagena, and I'm gonna sleep. Not on this bed. This is Sam's bed, so I'm gonna go sleep over here. All right. Okay. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next vlog. Peace. Are you still watching? Are you still watching this? If you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, then I suggest you click that subscribe button. Okay, bye-bye.